Tired of digging through Salesforce menus just to add a lead stage? Create a custom date field in 13 clicks. We'll start from the gear icon, open Advanced Setup, and walk through Object Manager to add a date field for your lead stage. Start by clicking the gear icon from the top right to open Quick Settings. Then, click on Open Advanced Setup to proceed. Now, go to Object Manager. Scroll down, find Lead, and click on it. From the left sidebar, click on Fields and Relationships. Click New to create a new field. Choose the data type. In this example, we'll pick Date. Scroll down and click Next. For the field label, type Date. Then click the field name box. It will autofill for you. Scroll down and click Next again. Click Next one final time. Finally, click Save to finish. And that's it. You've created a new lead stage field. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.